Good morning, first timers. This is our last full day in Costa Rica, and we haven't really been able to explore too much of Tamarindo proper because we've been going on adventures here and there. So today, we're gonna get dressed, we're gonna be cruising downtown. First, we gotta drop off some laundry because we've been here for 7 days and we're running pretty thin on clean clothes. Then, we're gonna hit the downtown area, check out some shops, maybe some restaurants, but I guarantee you we're probably gonna be eating way too much today.
We're at the Laundry Tamarindo. It was recommended by our Airbnb host, so we're gonna drop off our laundry and hopefully get it done today.
And just like that, Bob's your uncle. It's 2,500 colones, so about $5 for every kilogram. And we don't generally operate in kilograms, but for all of our clothes, which was quite a bit, came out to 17,500 colones, so just under $40. But that's gonna be hugely helpful because we're not going home after this trip. So you're gonna have to stay tuned to see where we show up next. But for right now, we're gonna go look for some coffee, maybe some snacks, and show you around town.
Today we decided to check out Estero. Estoras here in Costa Rica are family-owned restaurants. They're your best value for food. They sell your basic, typical Costa Rican fare. Meat, rice and beans, some sort of vegetable or salad, plantains. It's really good food and it's really local. David thinks he had one of the best meals here in Costa Rica at Estero after our waterfall adventure, which you can check out right here. We didn't have time to film it because he inhaled his food because he was so hungry and it was so delicious. We're at Soda El Estero and I'm with Eric and he's going to tell you all about this restaurant.
Hi guys, I'm Eric. I'm the owner of the place and we got in here Costa Rican food buffet style. Really nice fresh salads right here. We got 5 salads, mixed up pasta, potatoes, beets, and pico de gallo, and we got some sort of main courses like chicken, cherry beef, pork, fish, to kind of rice, beans, and some other side orders to choose, fresh made juices, and very healthy food. And we got a dog right there, just in case.
Hi. Hi. Are you guarding the door? Hola. This soda came highly recommended, and I can tell why. The owner is so friendly, so nice. His dog Banjo, he's like the guard dog, but he's the tamest, most relaxed guard dog.
Sleepiest guard dog ever.
But there were so many options for salad. So for each plate, you get a side salad option, and you can mix and match if you want 2 half orders of the salad. Then you get choice of rice. You can have white rice, you could have the vegetable rice, 2 kinds of beans, and there's 3 protein options. Then you also get a side. Most of those were vegetables. Now, I went with the beet salad, the pico de gallo, the vegetable rice with the black beans. I went with fried yuca and the fresh fried mahi.
I got the vegetable salad, the pico de gallo, white rice, black beans, vegetables, and I went with the beef option.
Every order also comes with a giant glass of homemade drink. We both went with the Tamarindo because it's sweet, it's a little tangy, it's refreshing, and it's perfect for this hot day. I can't wait to dig in. Well, Terry's going straight for the meat. As always, I'm going with the beet. It's nice, refreshing, creamy, and earthy beet salad.
The beef is super tender, so many flavors in there, but not spicy at all.
And that pico, fresh, crisp, delicious.
Let's give this salad a whirl.
The salad came with a light passion fruit vinaigrette, and it looked amazing.
It's really light dressed. Just a little bit of sweet, a little bit of oil in there. It's very good. The vegetables are all fresh. It comes with lettuce, corn, tomatoes, carrots. Very good.
All right, it's yuca time. I'm starting to really love yuca. We've had it a few times since we've been here. It's a better tasting fried potato. It's crispy, it's tender on the inside, but man, the flavor is just really good. It's so much richer than just a typical potato.
Try these vegetables. Not mushy at all, lightly seasoned. It's a good carrot. I think it's carrot.
Then the vegetable rice, very clean. It's not over seasoned or overpowering. This is a nice meal you can have and you're just not going to feel weighed down, tired, or bloated.
And that's exactly how you don't want to feel if you're going to the beach after this.
And the beans, delicious. Star of my show is this giant piece of fresh mahi. Terry already talked about her meat, but I like to save it to the end. But look at that. It's crispy. It's flaky. It's moist and tender, with like a hint of like a lemon hit. This is great. We're gonna crush these plates and then take you somewhere else in a little bit. 100%, when you're in Tamarindo, if you want authentic Costa Rican food for a great price, you gotta check this place out. Talk to Eric, let him know the first timer sent you. Look for our sticker, it's on the front window. He's a great guy, great food, definitely worth stopping. So Terry got a wicked bruise on the waterfall tour. I'm not gonna show you because it looks criminal, but we're gonna check out this place called the Apothecary to see if they have any salves or creams that'll help her with her bruising.
So the Apothecary didn't exactly have what I was looking for, but it's a really cute little shop. They've got a lot of tinctures and elixirs that you take internally for like gut health, heart health, inflammation. Definitely check it out if you're in town. Found what I was looking for at the health food store. Got this cream, is gonna help this gigantic bruise that I have.
If you're looking for any type of health food, anything like that, this is a place to go. We wanted to show you, but they have a strict rule about no filming, no photography, but it is a beautiful store. They have big bulk barrels of different spices, herbs, all kinds of organic products. It's a cool store. So go in there, check it out.
Got another food hotspot for you. We're gonna check out a food truck park in Tamarindo.
We're here in the middle of the week and it's in the middle of the day. When we've driven past this place during the nighttime, it's completely packed. There's lights going. There's a stage here where they have bands playing and they have something for everyone. There's Chinese food, there's Mexican food, there's Costa Rican food, there's desserts. Right now, a lot of them are closed because it's the middle of the week and the middle of the day. But if you come out here, I guarantee you'll probably find something that you want to eat.
We're checking out a more quieter part of Tamarindo. It's just outside of the main downtown area. It's close to the beach. It's got a lot of restaurants, shops. It's just a little bit quieter, a little more relaxed.
Parking is pretty tough down here, but once you get down here, it's great. The water's right here. There's a lot of really friendly vendors selling their wares, a lot of handmade jewelry, and a lot of offers for fishing and catamaran trips. Now, we already went on the catamaran trip, so if you haven't seen that one, check it out. That was a good time. But like Terry said, we're gonna just kind of meander the streets, see what kind of shops we can walk into, and then get something to eat. Besides being a tourist location and a great fishing town, Tamarindo is known around the world for a great place to surf. There's a bunch of different beaches, and all the beaches vary in difficulty based on your skill level. You can travel just up and down the beach, and each beach will have a different skill level, different difficulty. So that way, if you're brand new to surfing, you can come out here and really learn how on some gentle waves, but then you can find some bigger waves, a little more powerful at other beaches. They also offer a lot of surf rentals for surfboards, boogie boards, but then they also have lessons here.
There's all kind of little vendors down here and also cute little boutiques and shops. There's a lot of really cool shops here with really nice clothing and bikinis. It's really hard not to buy everything I see.
I was pretty tempted to ask the price for that crocodile skull. I just don't know the rules about bringing a crocodile skull from Costa Rica back to the US. If anybody knows the rules, feel free to comment below because I want a crocodile skull. I don't think they're endangered, but if they are, I don't want a crocodile skull. Don't cancel us, please.
What kind of Willy Wonka plant is this?
There's even a store full of my shirts, so I had to get one. Thanks, Terry.
This place has everything. They even have a country bar that serves pizza, hamburgers, and barbecue. They also have an air-conditioned area in here, which is much needed right now. I woke up this morning, I was really craving some salad, maybe a fruit.
Terry decided to go with the Mondo platter full of meat. It's every animal known to man on this plate grilled. There's steak, there's ribs, there's chicken, there's plantains, there's grilled fruit. She said she wanted a salad. I don't see a salad here, so we're gonna dig into this thing, but it looks awesome.
We're out here checking out the nightlife. Even though it's off season, things are still getting crazy. So we're gonna hop into a couple bars. But pro tip, don't wear your best shoes. Wear some sneakers like me because your feet are gonna get wet because it's wet and muddy. Tacos. I'm so excited. Ready to eat.
Hi, how you doing?
Pura vida. So I've eaten street tacos all over the world, and we're here in Costa Rica, Tamarindo, Costa Rica, and we're checking out their pork tacos. 2 for $6. We're getting 6. That's 3 orders because I probably want 4. Terry's gonna eat 2. But we're looking forward to this. I have high hopes for their tacos.
I can't wait to dig in. Honestly, I already tasted it. So good.
We're leaving Costa Rica, but under protest. This has been an amazing week-long trip in Tamarindo, Costa Rica.
There's lots of options for food, tours, beaches, surfing, whatever you're looking for, they probably have it if it has to do with outdoors or surfing or tacos.
Now, Tamarindo gets a bad rap because it's a party town and they call it Tamagringo, and it is a party town. And you do have all the amenities that you'll find in most Western countries, and the prices do reflect that. So if you're looking for a true, authentic Costa Rican experience, you're probably going to want to get out and away from the big city centers and the tourist areas like Tamarindo or San Jose. However, if you're looking for a nice place to relax, surf, and have all the amenities that you'd have at home, then Tamarindo is probably the place for you.
Our Airbnb was great. We'll leave that information down below. It's super quiet. It's got everything you need. A little kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, pool, even a cleaning service. You couldn't ask for anything else.
And it's centrally located, so you could either drive to nearby locations and explore, or it was close enough to Tamarindo City Center where you could take a very cheap Uber ride or taxi ride anytime you needed to get around.
I would say most of the people here do speak at least a little bit of English, so it's easy to get around and communicate with people, even if you know just a tiny bit of Spanish.
Most of the places here take both the US dollar and the Costa Rican colones.
They also take credit cards at almost everywhere, and most of the places will charge you in US dollar if you ask.
We would highly recommend you come out here, check out some of these places, go on these adventures, but when you go there, make sure you let them know that the first timer sent you. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
It really helps us out.
And it costs you nothing. From the bottom of our heart, thank you for watching, and definitely please do subscribe.
We'll see you next time. First timers.
High five.